Welcome, everyone! In this video, we will show you how to extract data per page and line using form extraction. If you want to know the basics of form extraction, please watch the video, Getting Started with Form Extraction. Start by clicking the Form Extraction button and start New Form Extraction. First, we will extract data from the payslips. Let's add all the extractions we need. As you can see, this document has multiple pages with the same structure. Therefore, to extract all the data we need from all the pages, simply click Extract per page. Now the extractions are applied on every page. You can double-check your data on the right side, and if it's correct, you can click on Export to Excel. Your extractions are now copied into your Excel workbook. Second, we will extract data from a bank statement. We have a bank statement of multiple pages. We want all the dates, names, and amounts of each line of the bank statement. Therefore, we will extract multiple lines per page. In previews, you can see that all the data is extracted per line from all the pages of the bank statement. To summarize, by showing DataSnipper the structure of a single document, you can easily scale the extraction process across multiple pages or lines. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!